Script. Top 2 action cameras. GoPro Hero 11 Black versus DJI Osmo Action 4. Intro. Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're putting 2 powerhouse action cameras head-to-head, the GoPro Hero 11 Black and the DJI Osmo Action 4. Whether you're capturing extreme sports or simply vlogging, both cameras have unique strengths and a few drawbacks. So let's dive deep into each, compare their pros and cons, and help you decide which one's the best fit for you. Camera 1, GoPro Hero 11 Black. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is the latest in a long line of GoPro action cameras, known for its durability and stellar video quality. This model brings GoPro's signature quality up a notch with new features aimed at creators and adventurers. Pros. 1. Resolution and image quality. The Hero 11 Black captures incredible 5.3K video at 60 fps and can even shoot in 4K at 120 fps. This high resolution ensures crisp details, making it perfect for those who want to capture high-action moments and have the flexibility to crop or zoom in during editing without losing quality. 2. Hypersmooth 5.0 stabilization. With the Hero 11 Black, GoPro has introduced Hypersmooth 5.0, their most advanced stabilization system yet. Whether you're on a mountain bike or skydiving, this stabilization feature minimizes shakiness, delivering smooth footage even in the roughest conditions. 3. New 8:7 aspect ratio. The unique 8:7 aspect ratio allows users to capture footage that can be easily cropped into various aspect ratios for social media, like 9:16 for TikTok and Instagram stories or 16:9 for YouTube. 4. Durability and waterproofing. Like all GoPro models, the Hero 11 Black is built tough. It's waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, without a housing, so it's ready for underwater adventures straight out of the box. 5. Time Warp 3.0 and night effects. The Time Warp 3.0 feature allows for stunning time-lapse shots that transition smoothly between real-time and time-lapse footage. Night effects have also been improved, making it easier to capture star trails and other nighttime sequences with enhanced clarity. Cons. 1. Battery life. While the Hero 11 Black has improved battery life with the Enduro battery, heavy use of high-resolution modes and stabilization can drain the battery relatively quickly. For longer shoots, an additional battery may be necessary. 2. Complexity for beginners.